Hello and welcome to Two Awesome Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about objects in Java. Now by object I mean all the objects that are involved in real life. Now in Java we use objects to classify between different objects and return to the user what an object can do. For example, a dog. A dog is an object. A dog can stand, sit, run, or it can also jump. So all these properties of a dog are called its functions or methods. So we return to the user the properties that a dog can do or is doing at the moment. So now let's do a quick example here and see what we mean by objects in Java. Now right here I have made a Java project called objects, and inside object we're going to follow the syntax of Java just like I said in the last video. It goes something like public static void main string args. So this is our main method. Now to create an object we have to make a class of that object. For example, let's say we talked about a dog, so let's make a class named dog. So public class dog. So here I made a class named dog, and inside this dog, so this is the object, this is the class called dog, and inside this class we have to make methods or let's say properties that a dog can do. So if we say string color is equal to white, so what this means is that the color of the dog is white. Now we can also make a function that a dog can do. Now what does a dog do? A dog can run. So let's make a method or a function for a dog that can run. So public void let's say run. Inside run we say system.out.println runs. Now what this does is that it tells us that the dog can run. So this is one function created for a dog, and let's create another one, and public void say color. System.out.println the color of the dog is plus color. So if you run the program now, you see we have nothing in the console, or when we execute the program we get nothing in return. So to get something back to the user we have to make an object. So this was just a class and the methods or functions for a dog. Now we have to create an object. Now to create object we have to call the class, which is called dog, and name for the object. Let's say dog1, and then new dog. Now here you see we've got an error. Now if you move the cursor on top of it, so to fix this error we have to write static over here. Static should come before the class. Now you see we have created an object called dog. Now to call these methods or functions that a dog can do, we'll have to write the name of the object, which is dog1, and when we press dot it gives us a lot of methods. So to choose those which we have created, we'll go down and search for it. Now the first one we see over here is the color. So when we click on this one, save it, and then we run it, we see that the color of the dog is white. Now to call the other method, let's say dog.one, and we also created a method called run. Now if we click on the run method and execute the program, you see we have printed runs. So these are the functions of a dog. The first one is a property, means the dog is white, and then it can run, or it's running already. So to create another object, it's quite simple. We have to make another class. Let's say we have another class, public static void, sorry, not void, public static class cat, and inside cat, let's say we write string is equal to string color is equal to black, and then we create another method, public void color system dot out dot println the color of the cat is color. Now so we have made another class over here named cat, and then we have given it a function or a property named color. Now to make an object, we'll use the name of the class called cat, and then cat1 is equal to new cat. So here we have created an object called cat, and to call its properties, we just use cat1 dot, and here you see cat void called color. So if we run this, we'll see here the color of the cat is black. Actually, I don't care, but doesn't really matter. Now it's the color of the cat is black. So it's simple to make objects, and you can make multiple objects, and you can make multiple objects out of one. For example, we created a dog object here. Now under dog we can create some other object called dog2 for the second dog, and then dog3 for the third dog. Let's say make one dog2 is equal to new dog. So now you see we have a dog2 object over here for the second dog, and we can also call the properties that are inside the class dog for dog2 as well. So if we say that dog2 also runs, we can call run, and if you execute the program, well, it should say let's execute. Yeah, so it's right over here, runs, the color of the dog is. So this one, the first one, is for the second dog which came up here. So in this way you can make a lot of objects out of one class. You can make you can give the cats different color, you can give them different functions, and so that's how it works. Now if the video helped you with your assignments or exams, or perhaps just general knowledge, then please hit on that like button, and if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of queries related to Java, leave a comment and I'll make sure to respond and help you with it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks, don't mind me. I'ma just grab my stuff and leave. Excuse me, please. Fuck this shit, I'm out.